Hi everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video I'm gonna show you some outfits that I've been wearing a lot this winter. For the first outfit I have this blue knit dress, some knit tights and a pair of winter boots. These winter boots are from Basso and they are my absolute favorite. I love the chunky soles because it prevents my feet from getting cold and it also looks pretty stylish. This knit dress is from Yes Style and I absolutely love the puffy sleeves. Look how cute they are. And also it keeps me very warm. I'm pairing this outfit with my Zara winter jacket. I got this like 2 years ago and I've been wearing it almost non-stop. It keeps me warm, it looks really cute, I love the fit. Yeah, I don't know what else to say, I just love this jacket. The second outfit is actually one of my favorites because it's a combination I've never tried before, and I'm pairing it with a pair of white Adidas sneakers which I actually bought because of Rosé from Blackpink. I'm wearing some tights underneath to keep me warm since the pants are very thin. They are from Nem and I love them so much. I've been wearing them almost every day since I got them and I got a lot of compliments for them. And this crop jacket is from Zara as well. And you can also tighten or loosen this jacket according to your liking. For the next few outfits, I'm wearing the same pants with different tops. This smock neck long sleeve is from Yes Style and it's very soft and keeps me warm. And as mentioned before, my favorite pants from Nem. I paired this outfit with my DIY bag. The link to it will be in the top right corner in case you're interested. For the jacket, I wore this oversized pastel yellow jacket, also from Zara. I got it recently and I've been wearing it a lot, like really a lot. Moving on to the next outfit, I'm gonna start with the accessory, which is another DIY bag. The strap turtleneck is from Yes Style and I love the slightly loose and comfy fit. This elegant red wine colored top is thrifted and again paired with my favorite pants. Here I changed the shoes to these ones that look a little bit like Dr. Martens. I don't know where I got them from because they're pretty old. And for the bag I have this cute corduroy bag from Yes Style. This is more like a tip that I wanted to share with you. I got this knit collar from H&M and I'm obsessed with it. It's perfect for when you're cold but you don't want to wear a huge scarf. It keeps your neck warm without making you sweat like crazy because it doesn't have sleeves. It's an amazing invention and I highly recommend getting one of these. And apart from being super practical, they're so fashionable and cute. And they go really well with bulky jackets like this one. For the last outfit, I'm going for some black pants and an oversized jumper. For the shoes, I'm wearing some Vans, and these are made for winter because they have some profile for icy weather. These pants are from Nem, and I love them too, and I would definitely wear them more often if it wasn't freezing cold right now, because I can't wear tights underneath because they're already pretty tight. The jumper is from Urban Outfitters and it has probably become my most worn item ever since I bought it almost 2 years ago in London. That's all for today's video. Let me know if you liked it and if I should do more videos like this one. I wish you an amazing day and see you soon in my next video. Take care. Bye.